Hi there. So 2 days ago we had the solar eclipse and I made a solar eclipse viewer and let's see how that went. How to make the solar eclipse viewer. Step 1. Find a cardboard box. Step 2. Cut the top two corners and tape a piece of paper inside the box. Step 3. Cover one of the holes with foil, 1 or 2 layers, and tape it onto the box. Step 4. Poke a small hole in the foil. Make sure the uncovered hole is big enough that your eye fits in it. And you're done. Enjoy! How does it work? The light from the solar eclipse or the light source focuses inside the hole and is flipped back onto the sheet of paper. And when you look at the sheet of paper, you see the eclipse. How does it look on the inside? Thanks for watching and bye.